In this video, I will guide you through the simple and effective process of activating two-factor authentication security keys on your Typeform profile. Taking this extra step is a fantastic way to ensure your account and data stay completely secure. To get started, navigate to your main workspace dashboard. Once you are there, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your circular avatar, which is your profile icon. This will open a small menu where you should select the option labeled Settings. After the Settings page loads, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. From the list of various account options, go ahead and click on Preferences. This is where you can manage your personal account details. Now, scroll down carefully until you locate the dedicated section for two-factor authentication. Within this area, you will find a button that says Turn on 2FA. Go ahead and click that button to begin the security setup. The system will then prompt you with a new window, and your next move is to click on the button that says Send me the code. At this point, Typeform will instantly generate a unique 6-digit verification code and send it directly to your registered email address. Open your email inbox in a new tab and look for the message from Typeform. Once you see the 6-digit code, copy it carefully to your clipboard. Now, head back to the Typeform tab and paste the code into the provided authentication dialog box. Finally, finish the process by clicking the Verify button. Your account is now protected with an additional layer of security, giving you much more peace of mind while you work on your forms and surveys. It is a quick setup that makes a world of difference for your privacy. Thank you for watching this guide and taking steps to keep your digital workspace safe and secure.